In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get GA4 certified in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Google Analytics 4 or looking to polish your skills, achieving certification is a significant milestone. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this efficiently and effectively. First off, start with the basics. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. This might seem straightforward, but it's the gateway to accessing all of Google's resources, including Google Analytics. Once you're on Google, the next step is to log into your Google account. Look for the Sign In button, which is typically located in the top right corner of the Google homepage. Clicking on this will prompt you to choose which Google account you want to use. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you plan to associate with your GA4 certification. After selecting your account, you'll be asked to enter your password. Credentials are essential for verifying your identity and securing your account, so make sure you input the correct password. If by chance you've forgotten it, don't worry. Google offers a simple recovery process to help you regain access to your account. Following the entry of your password, you'll need to click Next to proceed. This will confirm your credentials and log you into your Google account. Once logged in, your next move involves navigating to the Google Analytics service. To do this, look for the Google Apps icon, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page, symbolized by a grid of dots. A click here unfolds a selection of Google services and applications. Among these, you'll find Google Analytics. Go ahead and click on it to open Google Analytics. Now to the crux of our tutorial enrolling in the Google Analytics certification courses. Google offers a comprehensive learning platform known as Skillshop, where you can find all resources related to Google Analytics certification. To get there, you can either directly type the URL into your browser or simply follow this link. Google Analytics, Skillshop, https://skillshop.dossabozas.com/pages/2/Google-Analytics. This page serves as your entry point to the learning material and certification exams for Google Analytics 4. Upon arriving at the Skillshop page for Google Analytics, your next step is to enroll in the courses. Here you'll find a structured curriculum designed to familiarize you with every facet of Google Analytics 4. The courses range from beginner to advanced levels, covering everything from essential analytics concepts to specific GA4 functionalities and data interpretation techniques. Each course is meticulously designed to enhance your understanding and skills, subsequently preparing you for the certification exam. It's crucial to work through all the provided courses diligently. Dedicate your time and attention to understanding the material thoroughly. Remember, the aim here is not just to get certified, but to gain practical knowledge that can be applied in real-world analytics tasks. Completing the courses is your final step toward certification. It's important to note that each course may include quizzes or interim tests to assess your understanding. These are great opportunities to solidify your knowledge, so take them seriously. Upon completing all the required training materials and passing any associated assessments, you'll be awarded your GA4 certification. This certification is a testament to your expertise and commitment to understanding Google Analytics 4 at a comprehensive level. Not only does it bolster your resume, but it also enhances your analytical capabilities, making you a valuable asset to any data-driven organization. A couple of tips before you embark on this journey. First, make sure to set aside dedicated study time. Consistency is key when learning complex subjects. Secondly, don't rush through the material. The goal of these courses is to build a solid foundation and understanding of Google Analytics 4, not just to pass a test. And with that, you're well on your way to becoming GA4 certified. Remember, achieving certification is just the beginning. The real test is applying what you've learned to glean actionable insights from data, optimizing web properties, and driving impactful marketing strategies. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to get GA4 certified. Dive into the courses, immerse yourself in learning, and you'll emerge not just certified but fundamentally skilled in Google Analytics 4. Good luck and happy learning.